Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Wheel Polishing Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any car enthusiast looking to restore their wheels to a showroom shine, transforming dull, oxidized, or scratched rims into gleaming masterpieces that will turn heads on the road and significantly boost your vehicle's aesthetic appeal, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining and enhancing your car's overall look. Number 5. Chemical Guys Heavy Metal Polish. Tired of dull, oxidized metal? This powerful polish cuts through tarnish and stains, revealing a smooth, reflective surface. It's designed to bring back the brilliance to your metal. Not only does it clean and restore, but it also provides a durable protective seal. This helps resist future oxidation and keeps your metal looking great for longer. Its versatile formula works wonders on a variety of metal surfaces. Use it on chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, brass, and silver for a stunning finish. This polish is safe for use on a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, SUVs, and boats. Perfect for wheels, trim, exhaust tips, and railings. Achieving a high-gloss shine is simple. Just apply with a microfiber or foam applicator, work it into the surface, and buff for a mirror-like finish. Don't limit its use to just vehicles. This versatile polish is also ideal for restoring household fixtures, kitchen hardware, and other decorative metal items. What we like. This product offers a comprehensive solution for metal care. It cleans, restores, and protects a wide range of metal surfaces, leaving a brilliant shine. If you're looking for a single product to maintain various metal components on your car, boat, or even around your house, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product made a 56-year-old piece of plastic look new, not just to me but random observers. Works great. Polished out the surface rust. Amazing cleaner to polish the tail pipes on my vehicle. Turned out much better than expected. Number 4. Mother's PowerCone 360 Polishing Tool. Introducing the Mother's PowerCone 360, a revolutionary polishing tool designed for deep, safe metal polishing. Its patented spherical cone design allows it to reach even the most difficult areas with ease. The unique spherical cone expands the polishing surface, ensuring smooth transitions and consistent results. It safely reaches deep, curved, and hard-to-access areas that were once impossible to polish. Safely polish your wheels and curved surfaces with its integrated wheel guard. This feature protects edges and spokes while preventing grabbing on sharp contours and intricate designs. Attach it to any standard drill for powerful polishing performance. Achieve professional results in less time and with less effort, making your detailing tasks quicker and more efficient. Tackle those knuckle-busting backside areas and recessed sections with improved control. Its design makes polishing complex wheel geometry easier than ever before. Experience enhanced control and deeper polishing action with this refined tool. It minimizes chatter, delivering a smooth, uniform, mirror-like finish every time. What we like. Its unique spherical cone shape is designed for maximum surface contact and safe polishing in challenging spots. If you struggle to reach deep into wheel barrels or intricate curved surfaces, this tool will make the job significantly easier and more effective. What people say. This item works exactly as promoted, and does a great job. Great product and very glad I purchased it. Great quality, great durability, left a perfect shine, and will definitely recommend to others. Works great. Just the right firmness. Gets between spokes of custom rims wheel. Used on polished aluminum rims and they look like new again. Number 3. Chemical Guys Ball Buster Wheel Polisher. Introducing the Ball Buster Wheel and Rim Speed Polisher. This powerful attachment transforms your drill into a professional wheel brush, making cleaning easy. Its soft yet durable bristles scrub away brake dust and grime without scratching any surface. Keep your chrome, aluminum, and painted finishes looking pristine. The unique ball-shaped design reaches tight spaces and lug nuts that traditional brushes can't. Achieve a deep clean in even the hardest-to-reach areas. Ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and motorcycles, it delivers a professional-level clean on various wheel types. Get spotless results every time. Cut your cleaning time dramatically. Using drill power, it spins and scrubs, making wheel cleaning faster, easier, and more effective than ever before. Constructed with heavy-duty materials, this polisher is built to withstand repeated use. It ensures reliable performance for both enthusiasts and professionals. What we like. This attachment transforms your drill into a powerful wheel cleaning brush. Its ball shape allows it to get into all the tight spaces, like lug nuts and inner barrels, without scratching any finish. If you want to achieve a professional level clean on your wheels quickly and safely, this is the tool for you. What people say. This kit is a great value for the money and includes everything you need to get started. The polishing pads are durable and effective, and the compounds work well to restore shine. Easy to use with a drill, even for beginners. Number 2. Mother's PowerBall 2 Polishing Tool. Tackle your deep dish wheels with ease. Its elongated shape increases the polishing area, allowing you to quickly clean complex contours. Simply attach it to any standard drill for powerful polishing performance. Achieve professional results with less effort and in less time. Experience improved control, reach, and efficiency with its upgraded design. It makes polishing better, smarter, and faster than ever before. The included extension bit provides added reach and precision. It's perfect for tight wheel barrels and surfaces you couldn't reach before. This tool is perfect for intricate wheel designs and recessed areas. Get detailed metal finishes that are difficult to polish by hand. What we like. Designed with an elongated shape and an extension bit, this tool excels at polishing deep dish wheels and reaching those previously inaccessible areas. If you have wheels with complex designs or deep profiles, this will help you achieve a uniform, mirror-like finish with less effort. What people say. The buffer is a great aid and polishes like nobody's business and quickly. I used it on large 22.5 Alcoa aluminum motorhome wheels. They were badly oxidized after 24 years of neglect. They look like chrome wheels now. My chrome rims were not this shiny even when I bought the truck new. Wow, oh wow, was it impressive what some good quality metal polish and this polisher ball can do with some time and elbow grease. It works great bringing the shine to my motorcoach rims. Easy to attach to a cordless drill and within minutes the wheels are sparkling like new. Number 1. 17-piece polishing pad buffing wheel kit. Crafted from 100% high-quality cotton, these pads feature multiple layers for excellent resistance and a superior polishing effect. They are designed to last and deliver outstanding results. This kit is ideal for a wide range of materials including metal, wood, plastic, glass, and even delicate items like jewelry. Achieve a perfect shine on virtually any surface. Effectively restore the original gloss of your items. When used with polishing paste, they create a durable, mirror-like protective film for a lasting shine. The 1/4-inch round shanks ensure a secure fit in your drill, preventing slippage during use. You can also use the included white brush for cleaning before polishing. This comprehensive 17-piece set includes cones and wheels in various stiffness levels for coarse, medium, and fine polishing. It's the perfect solution for all your polishing tasks. We are confident in the quality of our polishing kit. If you're not completely satisfied, please reach out to us, and we'll do our best to resolve any issues. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a variety of polishing and cleaning attachments for numerous materials. With different stiffness grades and broad compatibility, it's perfect for DIYers and hobbyists who work on a wide range of projects, from car parts to jewelry and household items. What people say. They're great for it. But they'd work great for cleaning car wheels and such. They work well with any drill and they are a great size for most tasks. Lot of pad options and the cloth is soft and thick, these fit into a hand drill with ease and spin great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.